Today, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Approach S62 golf watch, including how to pair it with your smartphone. For this video, we will use an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar for an Android phone or tablet. First, let's press the middle button to power on the watch. Use the touchscreen to scroll up and down through the language options. Now, tap on your language preference when it appears on your watch screen. Next, select your desired distance measurement. Then, enter in your average driver distance. Now, it is time for you to pair your watch with the Garmin Golf app. This will allow you to sync your scorecards, enable connected features such as wind speed and direction, and stay current with the latest software for your Garmin Approach S62 golf watch. To begin setup, tap the checkmark. On your smartphone, you will need to download the Garmin Golf app. Begin by navigating to the App Store. Then search for Garmin Golf. Find the Garmin Golf app and select Get to begin the download. Once the download is complete, launch the Garmin Golf app by selecting Open. If prompted to enable Bluetooth, select OK to allow. Sign in with your Garmin account or create a new account to get started. Then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your smartphone. To add your new golf watch, open the Settings menu by touching More at the bottom of the screen. If you're using an Android smartphone, touch the three bars at the top of the screen. Touch Garmin Devices from the menu. Then touch Add Device and select the Approach S62 from the list. On your watch, select OK. Now that your watch is ready to pair, touch Start on the Garmin Golf app. Follow the on-screen instructions on both your device and smartphone to finish pairing. Once finished, the watch will display the current time on the watch face. Now we recommend fully charging your watch before playing a round of golf. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.